All right, Christmas parties, you have networking events. It's holiday time, right? There's a lot of things going on, and you can actually use them to your advantage if you're looking for a job or you'd like to try to advance yourself as far as the corporate world is concerned. Joining us this morning is Rob Biesenbach. He has a book out, Act Like You Mean Business, and he says the everyday conversation can really turn into something that can help you along the way. What does that mean? We were talking just a moment ago about sort of having a little script involved.
Yeah, you should really treat every interaction like a performance, and part of that is being able to tell your story, like an actor would, or a character on TV. Who are you? What do you do? How do you help people? And how do you stand out from the crowd? Because you never know when you're at a party and somebody will say, so what do you do? It's a good idea to have that prepared, because you never know who you might meet.
And that could, down the road, lead to maybe a connection that could turn into a job or some sort of maybe current improvement to your current company, wherever you are.
Exactly. Yeah. You should be networking all the time, even at holiday events. You don't want to be obnoxious. You don't want to put your resume in somebody's face. Right. But if you prepare, figure out who's going to be there, who you want to know, how you're going to connect with them, what you're going to tell them, and then how you're going to follow up later. That could help you down the road.
Now, in addition to having plenty of business experience, you have some acting experience as well. So does that mean you should actually sort of even rehearse this little vignette for yourself?
Yeah, rehearsal is really important. Actors spend hundreds of hours rehearsing plays, or a 30-second commercial will take 8 hours to shoot. So preparation, forethought is really key.
Now, how long should something like this be? If somebody that says, you know what, that's a great idea, I want to try that. Should you have something where you go on ad nauseum for 5 or 6 minutes, or what do you think as far as the length on something like that?
We've all been stuck talking to that guy at the cocktail party, looking around.
And you don't want to be that guy.
Yeah, you should be merciful. They call it an elevator speech, which is essentially about how long it takes to ride an elevator. In Washington, it's like 10 or 11 floors, right? So maybe 30, 45 seconds, just a few sentences to capture who you are and really what makes you different, something that will be memorable to people.
So it's not really just rote memorization of your resume saying, oh, I went to here, I had an MBA here. It's actually something a little bit more compelling?
Yeah, what you do, who you help, and how you stand out in the marketplace in your particular field. Yeah, you shouldn't be reciting, I was this and I was that, and titles and names. People tune out to that stuff.
So get something compelling and then sell it.
Yes, like a real story. And yes, sell it, just like an actor would. Put emotion, enthusiasm, and energy behind the words. Really believe in what you're saying.
The book is Act Like You Mean Business. Rob Biesenbach, thanks a lot for joining us this morning.
Thank you.
Olga, over to you.
Acting like I mean weather. We have a great forecast.